This is the Pingequa Stick NRF24. The optimized PCB layout improves power stability and helps extend the transmission range. Dual wireless chips, CC1101 for 433 MHz and NRF24 for 2.4 GHz communication. A physical toggle switch lets you select which chip is active. First, connect the module to the GPIO port. Then secure the board with the mounting screws. Connect the Grove cable. Attach the two external antennas, and finally install the 3D printed case. For CC1101 setup in Bruce firmware, make sure to select CC1101 Legacy mode in the RF configuration menu. For the NRF24 chip, select NRF24 Legacy mode in the configuration settings.